Good afternoon everyone. This is Adarsh Pandey and I teach mathematics. Where we study circle. And in the circle, basically circle is a 2D figure in which uh, all the points which are lying on the boundary of the circle is equidistant from its center. Here O is the center of the circle and OA or OB is the radius of the circle, and D, which is diameter of the circle is equal to OA plus OB. OA, which is radius of the circle, and OB, which is also radius of the circle. So D is equal to R plus R, which is 2R. Diameter of the circle is equal to 2 times of its radius. So, and also we know that diameter of the circle is the longest chord of the circle. In all chords, diameter is the longest chord of the circle, and center of the circle is O, which is fixed point, and radius of a circle is R, and circumference of the circle is equal to length of its boundary, and length of its boundary is equal to 2 pi R, and also area of the circle is equal to pi R square. Area of the circle is equal to pi R square, and area of semicircle is equal to pi R square by 2, and perimeter of the semicircle is equal to pi R, which is length of this curve, plus D, which is diameter of the circle. Pi R plus D, or P is equal to pi R, and value of D is in the form of R, which is 2R. So perimeter of semicircle is equal to pi R plus 2R. Now we have to question of circle, which is find the circumference of a circle of radius 7 cm. Here we have to given the radius of a circle, which is 7 cm, and we have to calculate the circumference of the circle. So here given that radius of a circle is equal to 7 cm. Then we have to find the capital C, which is circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi R, which is knowing that. So, and here value of pi is equal to 22/7, which is approximate value of pi, and we have to use for calculation. So 2 into value of pi is 22 by 7 into r is given that which is 7. So here simplify 7 and 7, and we have to get 2 into 22 which is 44 centimeter, and 44 centimeter is the circumference of the circle which radius is 7 centimeter. Now we have an other problem which is based on the circle, question number 2, in which we have to find the radius and diameter of a circular puddle whose circumference is 220 meter 0 centimeter, in which we have to calculate radius and diameter both, and here we have to given that circumference of puddle is 220 centimeter. So given that circumference of a puddle is equal to 220 centimeter, and we know that circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 220, and we know that value of pi is equal to, for calculation, is 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 220. So 2 into 22 into r is equal to 220 into 7, and r is equal to 220 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So 22 tens are 220. So we get 10 into 7 upon 2. 2 fives are 10. So we get 5 into 7 which is 35 centimeter, and 35 centimeter is the radius of the circle. 35 centimeter is the radius of the circle, and we have to also calculate the diameter of the circle. So diameter of the circle is equal to 2 into r, twice of its radius, and we know that value of radius is 35 centimeter. So 2 into 35, value of r is 35, so product of 2 and 35 is 70 centimeter. So here radius of the circle is 35 centimeter and diameter of the circle is 70 centimeter. Now we have another problem which is based on the circle is the difference between the circumference and diameter of a circle is 24 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. In the question given that difference of circumference and diameter of the circle is 24 centimeter. As we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and diameter of circle is 2 r. Then question is saying that according to question, c minus d is equal to 24. C minus d is equal to 24. Here c is the circumference of the circle and d is the diameter of the circle. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r minus diameter of the circle is 2r, so 24. Here 2r is common in both terms, so we get 2r, and in round bracket pi minus 1 is equal to 24, and value of pi is equal to 22 by 7, so we put 22 by 7 in minus 1 is equal to 24, and 2r 22 minus 7 upon 7 is equal to 24. So 2r into 15 upon 7 is equal to 24. Therefore 2r into 15 is equal to 24 into 7, and 2r is equal to 24 into 7 upon 15, and here 3 5s are 15 and 3 8 are 24. So 2r is equal to 8 into 7 upon 5. 8 7s are 56 upon 5, which is equal to 2r. And r is equal to 56 upon 5 into 4. So 56 upon 5 2s are 10. So r is equal to 5.6 centimeters. So if the difference between circumference and diameter of the circle is 24, in this case we have to get radius of the circle is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Thank you.